What floor?
21.
21. You much. Have a good one.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
21st level. Going up.
I think these also go 1,000 feet per minute. I might be wrong. I have to check. 31's not.
30th level.
I really like these lanterns. Those are cool.
30th level.
Of course, I got the same one. So much for some variety. It's our, let's get our cab view. Very nice. I like these. These are nice. Ooh. And of course it's not labeled, but it's pretty clear that it's a ThyssenKrupp mod. Yeah. 3. Yeah, and it's TK because it changes halfway through the, it just changes numbers halfway through the express zone. But anyway, there's Bobby, and that's it.